What is up, you guys? I'm right here outside my house. Got the Super right here. I'm in the Lexus. And right now we're gonna go head out to basically LA. We're gonna go to basically San Bernardino. First I'm gonna head to Rancho Cucamonga, but we're gonna head out there. I'm gonna meet up with my boy Anthony and then probably be swapping some motors by the end of the night. So stay tuned. This is gonna be a fun LA trip and I'm probably just gonna throw it all together for one vlog, cause yeah. And yeah, stay tuned, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this and peace out. Boom, what is up, you guys? Just got done driving 4 hours. Just pulled up over here in Rialto. We got this Lexus, we got an Sc400 right here. But check it out, we got this wide body Sc400 5-speed. Got this new motor, donor motor. About to swap a couple parts over. Shit's looking cool. I'll take the torque converter off, a couple more things. And what do we got? This back to auto? Got, hell no. Got a clean bay. And we got the old
the fucking rods, bro.
The rod spiller. 5,000. Ooh, for that. 300,000 mile.
300,000 miles.
And we got this which kit is this?
Clutch Masters.
It's the Clutch Masters clutch. But what about the adapter kit?
It's a Collins.
Oh, it's Collins? Oh, okay. Nice. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Just gotta swap some things over. This thing's gnarly. It's got
that shit was bad, bro.
LS400 caliper. We got this donor car right here. That's what the motor came out of. Good running motor. And then this is the W58 trans that it's bolting up to. It's got the T56 slave, internal slave. These holes were already cut when he bought this kit. Clutch line, just pressure washed it all, so we're about to regroup and go get some stuff, but we're gonna come back and get this all together. It's about to be lit. All right, so we got the mounts on, we got a flywheel on, we gotta go get a couple bolts, of course, as always. We're gonna need to block off this EGR here, a couple things here and there. We got the clutch ready to go on, but we need a pilot bushing first, so we're gonna go hunt that down as well. And that's about it for now. Mostly everything's off of the old one usually that we need.
For you too, brother.
But yeah, what is that?
Burrito. Got it?
Thank you, Papa. But yeah, so check this thing out. Fucking wide body. Look at this. And then look at my IS. Woo! And homeboy just pulled up with the G35. Look at that. Sheesh! I love my car. But yeah, we out here, Rialto. All right, so we're back and we got this here pilot bearing. We're gonna throw that in. We got a pulley tool. We're gonna take this off. We're gonna check out this timing belt because it was like a little loose. We're gonna slap this John back here. We got our Clutch Masters flywheel. W series trans. We mentioned it was a Collins kit earlier, but I don't think it is. I don't know why he said that, but these are all tightened already. We're just gonna put that in, and then we can put the clutch on.
Finally got the motor clean. 14
so we're pulling these
ask me why my name's 514.
Pulling this crank pulley here.
Hey, this fool had one drink and he's drunk as fuck.
Look at that. Just gonna continue to do that. Pop that off. We're gonna redo this timing here.
He's a mechanic.
I'm a full mechanic. 1UZ.
Is it 3 easy?
Weak.
3 easy.
Alright, so this man just muscled this transmission on by himself.
Need the bolts though.
And where are the bolts?
Should have found the bolts.
Should have had the bolts ready.
Bolts are over there.
But you can see this W series trans mounting right up.
I did not do this.
He did not.
The previous owner. I want everyone to know that I didn't do that shitty ass work.
For the record, like, come on, why do you need that big ass one?
Bro, it's on the bottom too.
It's all this black stuff. Anyways, yeah, W series trans, 1UZ, and all these parts. And then we're about to redo this timing because, so yeah, we're gonna get that right and then send it. So if you check this out right here, he's actually got the 1UZ stock auto bell housing right here, and what that allows is the stock starter bolts to stay right there and you've got perfect access. Whereas on my setup with the Z32 trans, you've got the adapter plate right here and it's straight blocking these two bolts. And then you've got to go from the backside. So, what was I saying? 1UZ bell housing for the win.
Yes, sir.
It looks more factory. So like
Less shit too.
and then you have to like cut out a section right here on the bell housing for the Z32
This is the only adapter plate right there.
Yeah, exactly. That's the adapter plate, which it looks cool. We painted it all together. It's so nice seeing a stick shift on a V8, especially a Lexus V8. All right, so we got both crank pulleys right here, and you can see that this one off of the donor motor, someone had tried to pry that off or something, obviously because it's all messed up. And then the 300,000 mile motor. He actually did the timing belt recently, and I just did this with the puller tool, and I got it off by hand. No tools needed, literally by hand. And then yeah, we're gonna take his cover too because it's nicer, and then his tensioner. And then there's actually a washer, a spacer behind the tensioner. We're gonna see that in a minute here. Let's see. All right, so Mr. 5x114 sucks over here said that the reason that the other tensioner failed was this guy right here. Basically a pivot point for the tensioner, and the other one was missing it. So obviously it was just pinched on the engine.
Yeah, it was just
Take that too. So it goes behind the tensioner.
allows it to swivel.
So that's why that one, the tension was probably not right. So let's get it going, and we'll show you the proper tension.
You know he's deaf?
Really? All right, so we got it all tensioned now. Check this out.
Hey, I got a wireless
Cherry. So we got this all in. That's in. Now we just got to put on the crank pulley. This is a good one. Who's got the Brap tunes? This is the guy who is letting us do the swap for the house. That's it. Got the IS, the SC. What time is it, dude?
10:20.
10:20 at night. So let's see how long this. But yeah. Oh, so we just got the timing cherry. Check this out. We're at top dead center here. 0. We're lined up on the cams here. It's so hard to show this with the shadows. So we got cam lined up here. Top dead center there. And then you got the back mark on the cam, it's back here. Can't see it, but everything's cherry. And then we just gotta torque that down. And then put the rest of the covers on. Pulleys. It's almost done. Ooh. So we got this 1UZ fully retimed. Wiring, the wires redone. And then yeah, fully buttoned up. Now it's time to get it lifted up. And then we're gonna put these Alpha Cats on. Not the Alpha Cats.
Hey Jarguello, can you help me get off?
This harness actually looks pretty good for a non-VVTi. Everything on this motor looks good for a non-VVTi because it's a 97. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. Look at that wire. Stay tuned. I'm about to drop this in and then go to bed.
Yes,
Alpha built.
Where do you want to go to the new?
Everything's looking real nice on this. The wires done, everything. Got our area all cleaned up. Got her in swap position, as I like to call it. Mounts on, mounts are ready. Woo! Let's get it. We gotta just put the Alpha Cats on. If you guys don't know what the Alpha Cats are, that's the Alpha Cat. Got her all in swap position. Look at these lights. Look at the light setup. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is A1. Oh, what happened there, bud?
Breaker wood.
Too many lights. So let's do one each.
But what sucks right now?
Alright, so if you guys saw in that last clip, the lights shut off because we were drawing way too much power here. But we got these Alpha Cats on here. Fully straight gutted cat. Barely, oh, you can see it, boom. And then yeah, we got this W series trans, like I've said. Stock headers, stock mounts. Like I said, I think a T56 slave setup. 1UZ bell housing. But let's drop this bad boy in.
You're gonna fucking lights going out, aren't gonna stop us.
So just some background, they pulled both motors in the same day and we're about to drop it in the same night. So 2 motor pulls and 1 install in the same day. No biggie. But yeah, about to get this done. Stay tuned.
Look at all that residue, little bullshit.
That'll go from the inside of the cats.
Sheesh. Now the fish is about to breathe.
Jarguello, stand up. Check it out. It's looking good. About to drop her in. We're about to see how Alpha Motorsports drops his motors in. Let's do it, bud.
A little more? Yeah. Okay, so rolling it. Go on, you should stop.
There's an oil bin. Almost in.
Here.
So you lower it and I'll hold the lines.
You see these? We gotta clear them.
Motors in. So that's 2 motor pulls and 1 install in the same day by Alpha Motorsports, bro.
You gotta push it back in.
Look at that.
Oh, you see it right there?
5-speed V8. Alright, y'all, so this is where we're gonna cut it for the night, but we'll be back in the morning.
1 a.m. right now.
1 in the morning. But yeah, motors in, fully in on the mounts. Yeah, you know. Got a bunch of parts, drive shaft. Big old mess here. It's off the hoist.
So you're gonna put your tools on the truck?
Look at that.
Yeah, but let's throw all the trash in here.
Fresh V8 in the SC. Yee, yee. Get that harness out of the way, bud. Get her looking nice. Now we'll button her up tomorrow, but it just looks so nice, that's why. Look at that. It's not like the typical 200,000 mile looking non-VVTi. Oh, it's so good. Look at that.
Sheesh. Shit's big. The bar lifting it, right? Trying to move the jack to turn it, and it was, you know, so like it was the ass was in the air and the bottom was on the floor, and the jack slid out.
Dude, look at that clearance on that.
See that? Pre-drilled hole for the fucking vacuum line. We're gonna put a 90 on there, and this nigga was like, it's not right. I'm like, I already know, fool. It's perfect.
It's gonna be lit. It's fucking sick.
Full fuel system's done too. Everything's done, bro. With AC.
With AC.
Let me show you the side. Let me show you
But there's like neither IS250 wheels, huh?
Yeah, there's IS250, I350, but I think these are ES wheels.
It's fucking bad.
Can't wait till this whole is done, dude. Like, check this shit out.
500 horse.
With AC, bro. With AC. Oh, yup.
Oh shit. He said, let me pop the trunk. You know what that means.
Bless you.
Woo! It's fucking sick. TRD, that's tight. First aid, nigga was
This car has
just in case.
Broken necks.
That's fucking bad. For real. Those taillights, that's sick too.
For the next.
Fuck yeah.
This fool's got hella money in the car. Eat my son.
Alright, so we got these El Pollo Loco bowls. And then we got that wide body SC right there. We're about to go button it up, drive shaft, truss, you know. I'm not even gonna say it.
I'm tired.
Seriously. So yeah, all that stuff, put it all in, put all the juice in, put all the juices in, and then yeah, maybe yeah, I don't know. And then he's trying to race me.
Right here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna gap you after this.
He's gonna do a burnout? What?
Yeah, we'll get that on the vlog and be gapping you.
Oh shit.
$10 on the vlog.
He said non-VVTi is gonna take the win.
This shit's, it's a factory for
The boat.
Factory. $10.
All right, guys. We're get the fuck out. All right. So we just got back out here. After a long night last night, ended real late. We got Mr. Alpha Motorsports over here. This fool pulled 2 motors, swapped everything over, and installed it all in one day. One day, Bubba. One fucking day.
Gotta get it up right now.
So yeah, you guys, this is insane. You know, help of a couple buddies, but this man went savage yesterday. So yeah, it's in. That was a lot of stuff. We literally retimed the engine. We transferred tensioner, transferred crank pulley, a couple other things, the little spacer, the washer behind the tensioner that we showed you. But oh my goodness, it looks so good. It looks a lot cleaner. Look, check out the junk motor. It's straight beat. This thing looks clean, like Looks like a nice swap. So
Tranny's good too.
I know, tranny. Oh my gosh. So this is gonna be nice. So we're just gonna put fluids in, drive shaft, all that extra little good stuff, and then we'll show you guys where we're at in a minute. All right, so we're out here cooking in this heat, but we're getting this done. Everything's getting sorted out from the top. Got everything underneath. Trans cross, we're using a stock trans cross member. And then we got the center support, and then we've got the diff with the glue build there. It's the underneath setup. We just gotta run the exhaust, which probably we're not gonna do that. Straight pipe life. Got the alpha caps. But he's working on getting everything properly grounded to the battery, getting everything hooked up there. He's doing everything from the top. And then we're just gonna have to feed the harness through. He's got his own little trick that he does for the auto to manual swap, because this was we used the harness from the new engine, so he's basically redoing the harness now. So I'll show you guys what he does here. But yeah, other than that, we're about to get this thing going. So check it out. Check out this dude's setup. He just set up for this ground.
Still making it, dude.
Still going, but you know, he's always very modest. But look at that, super clean. Got these fucking looms on here. Got a union right here. He's gonna ground it there. Boom, and then it's ground. So it was missing the ground. It was just I think it was cut off. I don't know. Yes, sir.
Put that little fuse orange one on the battery terminal, because that's the fuel pump.
On the positive?
See which one though, right? The little orange one with the fuse on it?
Yeah. Okay. Hit it. Let's go, baby. Let's get this fired up. First start. We got bad grounds.
Did that fuse blow on that? On the fuse pump?
Ready?
I don't think so. Go ahead.
Let's go!
Ready?
Go ahead, there's a lot of fuel. Go ahead. Go ahead. And yeah, go ahead. Big ass leak. Oh, I don't want this shit to suck in. Turn off the fuel pump right now, because that's all I feel.
Which one is it? All the way to the left?
That's the first one to the steering column. Okay, go ahead.
I feel like that's on. So what's the other one then? What?
None of those work other than
Okay. No, there's no fuel?
Okay, now put the go ahead.
Oh. Boom. What do you know? Start it running. Alpha build, baby. Let's go, baby. There you go. Straight open headers. Look at that. Timing on point. Look at that. Super smooth. This was all done within a day. Let's go, baby. Alpha built. Let's go. That's right.
Gotta put the ground in.
smooth. Let's go, baby. HR?
Low compression DE.
High compression DE?
You guys hear that? That's because all that fuel that I have on the fuel pump, 12 volt. Alright, this button.
Ooh, pulling up in the GS. Ooh, you painted the brakes? Oh, it looks good. That looks nice in the inside too. Woo, just clean. Tight. Look at that, baby. Let's go. Less than 48 hours, V8 swap. Go, baby! It's a wrap, bud. Fuck yeah.
It's on 4 cylinders on it. Let me see. I think I know what it is.
Well, of course, you're Apple built. Hey, hey. Filter fell off.
This side's not firing anymore. This side.
So it's basically done. Car's running. Got it out of the driveway, but it's basically seems to be running poorly. But
Now it's turning up on its own.
it's running on one bank. Not sure why. Coil pack's getting power, but don't know why. But all in all, successful as hell. 1 day swap. We even put the old motor back in the donor car over there, and then we put that back there. And now his starter just doesn't want to engage because yeah.
Clutch Masters kits are trash.
And with that being said,
I'm so tired.
we gone.